and I can announce that the winner of the kitchen project is Bagshots Ltd.
For us and our business to win this award, we were just so delighted. I can never explain how pleased we were. Nadia, my wife, actually burst into tears with delight when the award was presented to us, so we're really pleased. I think winning this award for our business will make a major impact because we're on the Isle of Wight and the place is very much word of mouth, and obviously winning the award, we've already had people phoning us up to tell us that they've seen us winning the award, which is amazing. We're a very small team. My wife and son Toby, who's 18, that's us. We do most of the work ourselves, and we've got workshops in Cowes where we do all the carpentry work. I think being a master builder, the recognition is immense for something the level and size of the Federation of Master Builders. For us to achieve this, it's made us all feel very proud, and the impact on the customers in terms of passing the message of what we do and in terms of our dedication and commitment is definitely going to be very powerful.